Have you ever sat quietly and thought, what am I even doing at this age? Like you are somehow behind, behind your friends, behind your plans, behind life. Maybe your classmates are getting married, maybe a colleague just got promoted, or maybe someone you used to know bought a new house or a new car, and you are still just trying to figure out what you even want next. And that's when it hits you, that sinking feeling that maybe you haven't done enough, that quiet self blame, the guilt of thinking you have wasted time, the regret of not making the right choices. But here's the thing, you're not alone in that feeling. We all go through it more often than we admit. Society has this invisible checklist for every age. By your 20s, you should have figured out your career. By your 25, you should have found love. By your 30s, you should have settled down. And if you haven't, suddenly it feels like you have failed some test you'd never even have signed up for. It's wild how we are taught to race against time, as if living slower or taking longer means losing. But no one tells us that there is no universal clock, no fixed deadline for becoming who we are meant to be. I was watching this series the other night about a 17-year-old girl who gets into an accident and falls into a coma. She wakes up 13 years later and suddenly she has missed everything: her 18th birthday, her first heartbreak, her college memories, her 25th, those small years in between when life really happens, the years we usually take for granted. She is standing there in her 30s, looking at the world that had moved on without her, but also realizing that she still has life left. And as I was watching that scene, I couldn't stop thinking, maybe that's what we all forget. Maybe we get so obsessed with what we have missed, we forget to be grateful for what's still left. Because she may have missed her 18th, her 25th, but she still has her 31st, her 35th, her 40th. She still has time, and so do you. You might look back and think, I should have started earlier. I should have taken that chance. I should have listened to myself instead of others. But you know what? Even those mistakes, those so called wrong turns, those were necessary. Because every missed chance taught you something. Every heartbreak saved you. Every failure brought you closer to understanding yourself. You didn't fall behind, you just took the longer, more realistic route. And sometimes that's the only route worth taking. We forget that life isn't a ladder. It's not about climbing faster than everyone else. It's a mosaic made of little pieces of experiences, moments, choices, and lessons. Your pace doesn't have to look like everyone else's. Your story doesn't have to match their chapter. Some people achieve early but never learn how to live. Some people seem ahead but feel empty inside. And then there are people like you, still figuring it out, still learning, still growing. And that's okay. You're allowed to take your time. You know what's ironic? So many people who have it all together often end up saying, I wish I had lived more when I could. They had the job, the house, the title, but missed the simple joy of just being. The late night laughter, the random road trips, the quiet mornings with coffee and peace. They traded living for achieving. And in chasing the perfect life, they missed the life that was already happening right in front of them. So maybe the real loss isn't being behind, Maybe it's rushing through your one and only timeline without ever truly feeling it. What if enough didn't mean doing more, but being present with what you already have? What if success wasn't about how fast you got there, but how deeply you lived while getting there? You have laughed, cried, loved, failed, started over. You have lived. And maybe that's all that was ever required of you. So, if you have ever feeling like you're behind, I want you to pause. Take a breath. You're not late. You're not lacking. You're just becoming. And life, it's still unfolding for you in its own beautiful, unexpected way. Because even if you haven't hit all the milestones you thought you would by now, you're still moving, still growing, still here. And that means there's still time to dream, to start again, to live differently. If this feels close to home, stay a little longer. Listen, share, and maybe when you are ready, tell your story too. And if you'd like to be a part of more journeys like this, don't forget to subscribe because here your story matters.